is a light shade. And this ripple effect is really two shades that's rotating, oscillating simultaneously. Now on a two-dimensional surface, to get that ripple effect, you have to create that shade. That shade is what grounds the wave. Now we're speaking in terms of two-dimensional. We're speaking two-dimensional here in terms of art. The dark shade in the wave is what actually grounds the wave, and the light, the bright aspect of it, of the grayscale on the wave, is what pops. And it pops because the wave is conducive, has multiple parts. You have the crest, and you have the trough, and you have the equilibrium. This is from a whole physics perspective. But you have the dark, which grounds the wave, and then you have the light on the wave, which makes the wave pop. And the reason why we have to create light on top of a moving wave on a two-dimensional surface is because this is what creates the three-dimensional perspective on a two-dimensional surface, the optical illusion. And we